projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Fake Logo Detection. The project is to develop a system for detecting the counterfeit product logos and evaluating their resemblance to genuine logos. The researchers utilized the YOLO technique and the darknet framework to create a fake logo detector. A convolution neural network was trained to recognize the fake logo in the images, and this model was tested on a dataset consisting of the copyrighted product logos. The project highlights various applications of the logo detection, including the brand visibility monitoring, identifying the copyright infringements, and managing the product brands on the social media platform. The result demonstrated a high level accuracy in accurately identifying the fake logos. The project aims to create a reliable fake logo detector by leveraging the YOLO technique and the darknet framework. The detector is trained to identify and evaluate the similarity between the fake logo and genuine logo in images. The primary objective is to achieve a high level of accuracy in detecting the fake logo. Additionally, the project explores the practical applications of logo detection, including the brand visibility, monitoring, detecting copyright violations, and managing the product bans on the social media platform. These are the basic requirements that are needed to build this project. Hardware requirements: operating system as Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above. Software requirement: Python IDE with version of 3.7. These are the modules that are developed to build this project. The first module is Upload Logo Dataset. In this module, the logo dataset is uploaded to the application. The dataset contains images of logos that will be used for training and testing the logo classification model. And the second module is Pre-process the dataset. This module focuses on pre-processing the logo dataset before training the model. Each image in the dataset is read and pre-processing steps are applied. These steps include resizing all the images to a consistent size, normalizing the pixel values to a common scale, and shuffling the dataset to ensure the randomization. After pre-processing, the dataset is split into the training and testing part, with 80% of images allocated for training and 20% of images are allocated for testing. And the third module is Train the CNN algorithm. In this module, the convolution neural network algorithm is trained using the 80% of trained images from the dataset. The CNN algorithm is a deep learning approach commonly used for image classification tasks. The model is trained to recognize and classify the logo based on the training images. Once the model is trained, it will be applied to the 20% of test images to evaluate its prediction accuracy. And the fourth module is CNN Training Graph. This module involves plotting a graph to visualize the training accuracy and the loss of the CNN algorithm. The graph illustrates the progress of the model during training, showing how the accuracy and loss value changes over time. It provides insights into the performance and convergence of the CNN model during the training process. And the fifth module is Logo Classification. In this module, the trained CNN model is utilized to classify the new image of logos. The user can upload a test image and the CNN model will analyze and classify it as either a fake or an original logo based on the learned patterns and features. This module allows for real-time logo classification using the trained model, providing the practical application for identifying the logo in various scenarios. The execution of the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. This is the code folder consisting of both the dataset folder consisting of fake and original images, and the model folder consisting of HY files and NPY files. Here, these files will contain the algorithm information. These files can be loaded into the project code during the runtime to utilize the trained model for various tasks, such as making the prediction on the new data or performing the specific operation. and test images folder consisting of both the fake and real images. And the fake logo detection is a Python code file, and this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created the Windows bat file to execute the project. Now to run the project, double click on run.bat file. This is the graphical interface. With this, we are interacting with the program. First, we need to click on Upload Logo Dataset button. By this, we are redirecting to the dataset folder. Here, we need to select the dataset folder and click on Select Folder button. By this, the dataset is loaded and contains of the images like of fake and original. And click on Pre-process dataset. By this, the dataset will be read the images, and the total images found in the dataset is of 310, and it's split into the training and testing part. 80% of images are used to train the CNN, that is of 248, and the 20% images are used for testing the CNN, that is of 62. And then click on Train CNN Algorithm button. By this, we get a confusion matrix, where the x-axis represents the predicted label and the y-axis represents the true label, and the blue color boxes contain incorrect prediction and the different color boxes contain the correct prediction count, and this graph, and close this graph matrix. And here the CNN accuracy use of 94.8, precision of 95.2, recall of 94.8, and F-score of 94.8. And click on CNN Training Graph button. Here, it use of CNN Training Accuracy and Loss Graph. In this, x-axis represents the training epochs and the y-axis represents the accuracy or loss value. And the green line represents the accuracy and the red line represents the loss in this graph. We can see that each increasing epoch, accuracy got increased and the loss got decreased. Now close this graph and click on Logo Classification button. Here it redirected to the test images folder. In this, we need to select any one of the image to classify whether it is of a fake logo or the original one. Here I am selecting the second one and click on Open button. Here it predicted as of original one, and select any other image, and I am selecting this one and click on Open button. Here it logo predicted as fake. In this way, we can detect the logo as a fake or the original one by using the CNN algorithm. And conclusion, it can be referred from the information provided that we are successful in developing a fake logo detector using the YOLO technique and a darknet framework. The detector was able to accurately recognize the fake logos in images and assess how much they resemble the legitimate logos. The project also highlights the various uses of logo detection such as brand visibility, monitoring, copyright violation detection, and social media product brand management.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.